it has been a while since we've done anything, and that's because I've mainly been fighting rust on this car. If you follow the shorts, you'd see I would have done a windscreen repair, which went relatively well, and whilst doing that I found a few other rust spots. There's a few holes in the rear arches that need attention. So off camera I've been fabricating a few bits, because for this car you cannot buy any repair panels, and especially on the Mark IV it seems they will rust in the same places anyway, so it's not like you can really buy a donor car for the rear inner arches anyway. So let's have a quick look and see what we've got to deal with, and then I'll show you what the plan is. So as you can probably see, there is a big hole to the boot. This whole corner was rotten, so that's all been chopped out. I've made a panel to fit that. We have this section here. There's a nice massive hole behind there. This side, there's just the one hole there. But this side is a little bit crispy. I've rust converted all this, but it's all solid, so it doesn't need necessarily cutting out. Plenty of metal behind there, so we'll just protect that, and hopefully it will last a few more years. But yeah, so we have that section there, which I've made. I've made a plate. Made a plate to lay in here. It's going to be a little bit bodgy, but it's either that or the car's a write-off. So, and then I've made this section up for here as well. I'm going to have to just bend this flat once I've welded the back, just because it's got a bit out of shape whilst I've been making it up. And then there's a sheet bit metal to go in there. Now, the disclaimer with this is I've genuinely never welded any before. Only time I've ever held a welder was when I put the spool into this one when I bought it. So this is genuinely going to be my first ever weld. So let's see how it goes. I've watched a lot of YouTube videos. We'll see if we can dial the settings in. And yeah, so just for reference, this is a gasless MIG. Didn't want to buy a gas setup, so we'll see how we go with it. Try a little bit higher. So that is it. That's how it looks. I think actually they are. I mean, it's a bit hard, but well, they're definitely welded together. So yeah, I guess we just have a few more tries and then get onto the panels. They're very much stuck together. I mean, you could grind it down flat, I can't be bothered, but so I mean, metal sticks to metal, so I guess we'll just get on with the repair. Cool, I'll show you the wing once it's together. Not bad for a first attempt. I have grinded off the tops of most of the welds, and I'm just now gonna go over again and try and fill in most of the gaps, and then it'll be ready for some filler, but I won't do that today because I'll just move on to the next disaster. So yeah, I mean, don't look great, but you know, it's solid, so that's all that matters. So we'll be able to hide the mess I've made. there we go. That is mainly ground down. I mean, a little bit more prep before we paint that, but pretty happy how that's turned out. I need to do a little bit of shaping and still, but yeah, panel's quite hot, but that is not going anywhere. So yeah, pretty happy that's turned out. So I guess I'm probably gonna have to do the other side now. But yeah, not happy, pretty happy how that's turned out. This needs a bit of fill-in work. But I mean, it's solid, so that's the main concern. So yeah, I haven't made the patch panels this side, so I'm going to do that today, and then tomorrow I'll carry on welding. Now we've done pretty much everything for the rust pair, other than doing the final paint. I'm just going to leave it in prime for now because it's about 2 degrees in here, and yeah, not ideal. So I'll probably paint that later in the year, around March time maybe or something. So I'll show you how it looks, and then yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. So this is the final side on the rear, how it looks. Prime, I've done a bit of filler work now. I'll probably revisit this and make this edge a little bit better before we paint it, but other than that, pretty decent. And then that's this side, again looking pretty good. Yeah, I'm not going to bother putting any of the trims back on until it's painted, but obviously we'll put the rear bumper on. So yeah, let me know what you think. I mean, I'm pretty sure that went as well as it could for someone with no previous welding experience at all. So yeah, so you can DIY weld your car with no experience. It's never going to be as good as if you get professional to do it, obviously, but or if you actually had repair panels, again, it'll be a lot better than what I've done here. So yeah, well, we'll see you next one.